Once upon a time, cars used to look something like this. And we used to get our entertainment and information through the radio. Now technology has advanced to make cars look more like this. And we get our entertainment and information delivered right into our pockets. Did you know that technology has also changed the way we wash our cars?
Wait a minute! Car wash technology?
That's right, car wash technology. Optimum No Rinse is designed to save you time, save you money, save water in the environment without rinsing, and all with better results.
But a bucket of soap and water with a garden hose works fine.
Actually, advances in science have changed all of that. Opti-Coat's founder and CEO, Dr. David Gaddusi, engineered Optimum No Rinse to effectively break down dirt and encase the dirt in a molecular pillow so you can dry your car without rinsing and without any scratching or marring to the surface.
Wow! Modern science is crazy!
Yes, chemistry is pretty cool. If saving time, money, and water to achieve superior results for your vehicle's appearance sounds good to you, then visit us at Opti-Coat.com for more information.